Biani, what's wrong? Biani, what's wrong?
President,
Huh?
Mr. President Obama is not gonna win.
You don't know that.
He only had 3.
3 what?
What?
3 points.
3 points, but the other guy.
That's 33.
Romney.
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you like Romney?
Yeah.
I don't.
Why?
I like President Obama.
Why? Biani. How if President Obama wins? What would you do?
What are you gonna do?
What?
If he wins?
I'm gonna be happy.
And if he loses?
I'm gonna stay in my room. I'm gonna say do not enter.
Okay.
You want a cupcake? Do you want a cupcake?
Do you want me to call President Obama to tell him that you're crying because of him?
My dad watching the sea far, far away.
So, what would you do if Mitt Romney and President Obama tie?
Yeah, that could happen.
If they got tie, I'm not gonna celebrate. I'm going to say yay for Obama.
Yeah.
You don't like Romney?
No.
But he's so cool.
No, he's not President Obama.
But he likes dogs and cats.